Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to create your own AI avatars and earn up to $20,000 per month by using them on YouTube Shorts. So please do subscribe and let's get started.
Alright guys, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn that how we can use AI avatars by using Midjourney and some other AI tools and earn thousands of dollars per month by creating YouTube shorts using AI. So without a further ado, let's get started. Here what we have to do is, first of all, we need to upload an image if you want to create your own avatar. In my case, here I have my image on the desktop, which is this one. So what we need to do is we just have to drag and drop this image over our Discord and hit our enter key. Okay, so now our image is uploaded successfully on the Discord. Then we just have to open it up in order to take a look that it is properly uploaded. Right click here, just copy the link of your image. Now below we have to write our imagine keyword as usual, because in Midjourney, every time you start your prompt, you have to start it with imagine. Now next up, we need to paste the link that we have recently copied, and after that, you need to give your prompt in whatever way you want. So in this case, we are going to write anime because we want to create some anime kind of style for us so that we can use it while creating YouTube shorts. So we will write anime boy, and then we will specify the style of an artist. So in this specific example, I'm using Yakuza, and then we are going to specify the color theme. So here we will write indigo, neon, Japanese logo, and then we will specify some more keywords like 3D, render. And at last, what we need to do is we need to just add one parameter, which is image weight parameter. So this parameter has its value starting from 0.5 and it ends at the 2. 2 is the highest value and 0.5 is the lowest value. So basically, if you set the value of this image weight to 2, it means that it will consider your original image and try to create a similar results of it. But if you set some lower values like 1 or 0.5, it means that it can go creatively and add its own facial features. And if you try to do these things like setting the lower value of IW parameter, then it means that Midjourney has more creative freedom and it can create artworks based on its own imagination, irrespective of the image that you have provided. So here in this case, we have to write --IW and make sure that there is no space between -- and IW, and then we will specify the value. So in this particular case, because we want to create an anime avatar, we are going to do it with 1. And finally, hit your enter key and see what kind of prompt it is going to produce for us. Here we can see our process is started, and now we just have to wait for a few seconds. Below we can see our image generation process has been started by the Midjourney and it is currently started working on it. So currently I am fast forwarding the video so that we can save our time. Once it is finished, I will resume it again. Alright, so now our results are finished, and if we take a look, we can see these are some amazing avatars that it created by our image. Now they seems the character of totally different person because we have set it the image weight value to the 1. If we set it to the 2, then the results will be more identical to our image. But for now, let's select one of them. So in my case, let's select this one, which is the 4th one. Now Midjourney will generate 4 images every time you give it a prompt. You just have to click on the U4 button in order to upscale the 4th image. Here, this is the first image. This is 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. We have just click on U4 and here we got upscaled version of the 4th image from our results. Let's save it on our desktop so that we can animate it and we can use it to creating shorts of YouTube. Alright, so now the Midjourney work is finished right here. Next up, we need to go on one more website named as D-ID. This website basically allows us to add animations to our images. Here you can see this is the website and you just need to go and sign up on it as usual. The process is very simple. Just fill up your details and just sign in. Once you are signed in here you will get this button of create video. And if you take a look at below, then you can see that this website also provide you some of the avatars that you can use, such as this girl, this boy, and there are a lot of different avatars up to 30 and 40. If you want, you can use any one of them. But here in our case, we want to create our own AI avatars that are similar looking to us and we want to animate them. So here we will just click on this add icon and now it is asking us to sign in. So we will just go again and sign in with the account that we have created the ID on. So again, we will go create video, add our icon. So these are some previous animations that I have created. Now we will just click on add, go to our desktop and upload our image that we have created recently by using the Midjourney. And once this image is uploaded, here you also have this option to upload your voice audio. Now, if you want to add your own voice, then you can do so. Otherwise, you can also type in the stuff that you want it to speak. So in my case, I have just created these few lines and we are going to just copy paste it where it says, hello guys, in this video, I will show you that how you can earn 20K per month by creating your AI avatars and using it on YouTube. And I will also talk about that how you can earn it in few upcoming moments. So stay tuned for it. All right. So now you can see that our image is uploaded successfully. If we take a look on the right hand side, here we have the panel to upload our own voice. So if you have your own audio recorded, you can just upload your own audio. Otherwise, here you also have the option to type your script. Here we have just given it one sentence because currently it has a limit of 20 words for the free plan. Otherwise, you need to upgrade your plan. But if you want, you can upload your own voice recordings that you have. So here, if we click on it, we got two different options. Upload your own voice. You just need to select the audio file from your desktop. Otherwise, below it will also provide you the option to record your own audio. But in order to get access to that, you need to get the enterprise plan. In this video, I'm not going to show you that how you can get the plans, but if you have the plan, then make sure to go ahead. Here, I'm just showing you a demo. So this is our script. Below, if we see, here we have the options of the languages, that which language you want to select. We want it in English, United States. And here we have the voice of different characters like Jenny, Amber, Cora, Elizabeth, Jane. So for that, let's select Jane. I don't know, maybe he is. Oh, these are some of the female voices, but below you also have the section for the male voices. Here you have Brandon Christopher Davis. So let's select Davis for now. Then you have the styles, that in which style you want your character to speak. In the angry voice tone, cheerful, excited, friendly, hopeful. So we will see excited, and then we just have to click on this button of generate video. Here it says generating this video and it will require 1 credit. So by default, once you sign up on this website, it will provide you 20 free credit. I have already used 3 and this is the 4th one. So I just click on this button on generate and now our video is currently progressing. Okay, so here we can see our video is generated within few instant moments, and because it is of very low duration of 6 seconds, here it created this amazing video for us. And here our character is speaking and the animations are added automatically by this amazing software. Below you will find 2 different options of download it and share it. We want to just download it. So just click on the download and now you can see it is less than 1 megabytes and downloaded successfully. Now it comes to that how you can earn money by creating such kind of video. So for that, here I'm going to show you this YouTube channel, which is Virtual SciPack. In this channel, this guy has only uploaded 85 videos and all of the videos are in short form content, and this guy got 622K subscribers. So what this guy has done is he basically created its own 3D kind of avatars and animations. And once you created your avatars, you can do the same process that we have already seen in this video and create that kind of content. If you want to know that how much he is earning, there is a website named the Social Blade where you can just copy paste any YouTube channel and you will get the statistics related to it. Here we have the number of uploads, which is 62, number of subscribers. So these are the total number of video views that this channel got, and this is the creation date of the channel. And if we take a look here we can see that this guy is earning up to $27K by just utilizing it on the YouTube Shorts platform. And this is his total earning, which is 20K to 300K. But this is how powerful it is that you can use AI to create entire YouTube videos for you, and all the process is automated. As I have shown you that images and avatars you can generate by using Midjourney, and then you can use D-ID to give it the script or your own voice. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.